Zach, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found by giving people a 3-step blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some business owners raising their hands and asking me to help them out as well. However, like I said in the Facebook group post, there are no strings attached to this video. I do not expect you to use my services. I genuinely just want to be helpful. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm cool with that too. I really enjoy being able to help people out. So now, without further ado, let me show you these 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content on your website. Whenever it comes to ranking a website on Google, the first thing that they want to look at is the amount of quality content that you have on your web page. The rule of thumb is for home pages, you want to have at least 1,500 words worth of content, and on any service pages and back pages, you want to have 500 to 750 words worth of content on those. As we can see here, y'all are probably sitting at, I would say, anywhere from 500 to 600 words, just taking a look at it. And I did a Google search for Appliance Repair Houston, which seems to be the business that y'all are involved in. And right here, the #1 ranking competitor, Same Day Appliance Repair Houston. So we're going to go over to their website, take a look at theirs. You can see they really don't have that much content themselves. So this is one aspect that we'd be able to beat out the competition in fairly easy. Like I said, we want to get at least 1,500 words, and in that content, we want it to be dense with buyer intent keywords. And a buyer intent keyword, for example, would be like what I put into Google, Appliance Repair Houston, because this is what people are going to be searching for whenever they're looking for your services. Now that being said, I have this cool tool called Ahrefs that I'm able to plug in people's websites and see a bunch of different metrics and analytics for those websites. Right here, I have yours pulled up. We can see you rank for 10 organic keywords, which are those keywords that we were talking about just a second ago, but you're only getting 1 organic traffic per month to your website. We'll actually take a look at this keyword that you're ranking for. So the only ones that are showing up are SubZero Repair Houston and SubZero Appliance Repair Houston, which are pretty close to your business name. But even then, you're only ranking for number 10 position on SubZero Repair Houston, number 17 for SubZero Appliance Repair Houston. Now we'll go over here to your competitor. You can see their metrics are quite a bit better. We can look and see that they have a whole lot going on here, especially since they're ranking for 578 organic keywords and 913 traffic is being put to their website every month. So we'll take a look at their keywords. And some of these are just general ones that they're ranking for, which are helping drive a lot of traffic. But right here we can see they're ranking #1 for Appliance Repair Houston. So that's going to be driving them a whole lot of traffic. 350 search volume for that keyword set in a month. Plus they're ranking #1 Appliance Repair Houston, Texas. #1 Maytag Appliance Repair near me. You can see all of these different buyer intent keywords that they are in fact ranking for, which is helping drive a lot of business to their business. That being said, I want to jump into the second thing that I want to talk about today, and that is the Google Map Pack and how you're able to get into the Google Map Pack. So right here, this is what we call the Google Map Pack, or Maps, whatever you may refer to it as. And once again, you can see Same Day Appliance Repair Houston is sitting in that #1 spot. Now, in order to rank in the Google Map Pack, you not only need to have a good website that has that high quality content that we're talking about, but you also need to go out and get what are called citations. And that is your name, your address, and your phone number plugged into different indexes throughout the web, such as Yext, Yellowbook, CityStar, so on and so forth. There's even spots in Facebook and YouTube to submit what's called a citation. And whenever we work with clients, we get them at least 250 to 300 citations because none of the competition is doing that. Most of the competition stays with the big ones such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, so on and so forth. But they only come up to about 50 citations. Whereas, like I said, we go in and beat the competitors by a landslide by going with 250 to 300 citations. So once again, that's where you go out and you put your name, address, and phone number into those indexes, and that's what helps rank you in the Google My Business. Now, the third thing I want to talk about are going to be backlinks. And essentially what a backlink is, it's where you have one website, we'll call it website A, and it links back to another website we'll call website B. By doing this, website A is passing power to website B. And the more high quality backlinks you have, the more authority Google gives to your website, because it becomes somewhat like a popularity contest. They want to see a lot of high quality websites linking back to yours. Right here we can see y'all have 5 backlinks coming from 4 different domains. So that's a pretty low number, and that's why the domain rating is so low here. And we'll go take a look at the competitor. And we'll see. Give it a second here to pull up. But while we're waiting on this to load, uh, there's a difference between getting a relevant backlink and just going out and grabbing some random backlink. So with y'all being in the appliance repair business, you want to get backlinks coming from websites that talk about appliance repair. It wouldn't make any sense for you to go out and get a backlink from a website that doesn't have anything to do with any kind of contract or anything. Say like a pizza shop or a clothing boutique. That wouldn't make sense to go get you a backlink from one of those places. But since it's loaded, we can see here that the competition, their domain rating is a 4.4, but they have 411 backlinks with 96 different domains passing that power back to them. So you can see there's some work to do here to beat them, but we could actually utilize what I call the copycat method. I can come in here, I can see every backlink that they have, and we could go out and get the same ones to not only match them, but then add new ones and be beating all of their power. So that's just another trick that you can use to get another edge on your competition. But with that being said, I just kind of want to touch on the three things that we talked about. Once again, we talked about content. You want to have at least 1,500 words worth of content on your homepage and 500 to 750 words worth of content on any back pages. You want to have 200 to 300 citations to beat out the competition by a landslide. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority and you're the popular appliance repair company there in Houston. And if you implement these strategies today, there's no doubt that you can be number one across Google with some time. All that being said, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. Like I said, I just want to be helpful. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 903-715-7876. I'm more than willing to chat and answer any questions that you might have. I know this is a whole lot of information at one time, so I'm sure you have questions. But that being said, once again, my name is Zach, and my number is 903-715-7876. I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.